Hi, my name is Ben Peg from Wobi Design, and I'm going to move in all my tools into this 20-foot shipping container. Okay, so I just finished moving in all my tools into this 20-foot shipping container, and as you can see, it's a mess in here. So I'm going to be making a miter saw station right over here, and yeah. Okay, so I have the miter saw station built, and I have all the tools laid out in a way that I can move freely and also work at the same time. Now, having all these tools are really nice, and I'm gonna talk more about it in my next video, but if these tools are misaligned and not set up properly, not only is it gonna give you inaccurate cuts, as well as it could potentially be dangerous for you. So, I'm going to align these tools, and I wish I was in the position to tell you and educate you on how to align it. I'm not that good. I'm not that good. I'm not that good. But there are people out there who's really good and help you understand how these tools work. So I'm gonna recommend you to these makers right up here. I made everything in here. Okay, so I just finished building this workbench. And before I get carried away and start building things and not recording it like I should, so I'm just gonna finish the video here. Off camera, I made this miter saw station dust hood using plexiglass. I also cleaned up my bottle jack press number 1, bottle jack press number 2 as well. And I made an outfeed table for the table saw using plywood that's been made out of recycled skateboards. If you haven't seen that, link is right up here. Okay, so the shop is about 80% done at this point. I just have a few more things that I have to add to complete the shop. So I just want to end this video now and explain everything in detail why I set it up in the way that I did, and how I plan on using all my tools in this tiny little space. What am I trying to say, huh? What do I want to tell you? And organizing and now, come on. Now, I know I didn't really do a good job of filming and explaining how I align these tools, but I hope the biggest takeaway you get from this is to properly set up your tools so that you could work in a safe environment as well as give you good results. And there's gonna be a ton of YouTubers out there who's gonna explain better than I can, so I'll provide the links down below so you can check them out. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, please subscribe and stay tuned on what's gonna happen next in this 20-foot shipping container workshop. Special thanks to Rockler for supporting this channel and providing me with all these nice tools for better woodworking experience. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. This is my first time ever having a router table. Put a little variable switch. First cut too. Alright, look at this. The miter saw is in. And that right there, that's gonna collect majority of the dust that's coming out of this miter saw. You should already know. Rockler has the best stuff. They don't need me to do this, but I'm doing it to help you. All right, folks, we're at 90%. We're like 80%, but we're almost done cleaning everything up. And yeah.